How to launch a boat. Upon arrival to the launch, be sure to untarp your boat and remove the transom straps from your trailer. Once transom straps are unhooked, be sure to install your rear and center hull plugs. Back the boat straight down the launch and be sure to stay to one side to allow other boaters to launch as well. Back the boat in far enough to allow the stern to begin to float. Be sure to start your engine prior to unhooking the boat from the trailer. Once the engine is started, move to the front and unhook your safety chains. Slowly back the boat off of the trailer and secure it to the dock. Once the boat is secured to the dock, quickly get back to the truck and remove it for other boaters to take advantage of the launch.